Today I'm going to be doing a comparison video between three different types of mugs. The first mug is the Yeti Rambler 10 ounce Lowball glass. That's the stainless steel ones on the left. The second is the Bodum Pavina 8 ounce glasses. Those are the clear ones in the center. And then finally, some generic mugs that we got from Williams-Sonoma. Just standard ceramic mugs. Hold about 12 or 14 ounces each. But these Yetis I got last night. They're brand new. I have to unpack them still. But the problem I've been having is that my coffee gets cold in the morning. I originally was using larger Bodum glasses, 12 ounces, I think. And that was getting too cold. So I tried the smaller glasses to see if maybe I just have smaller coffees. They'd stay warm. But over the last few years, that's not really worked out. I've been getting cold coffee each morning, so I've decided to do an experiment to see if these Yeti glasses that I've heard so much about are better. And so right now I'm pouring about 6.5 or 7 ounces of freshly boiled water into each of the cups, and I'm gonna measure them about every 15 minutes or so. But first, there's some interesting stuff that happens when you first pour the water in. So you can see that the water came in at about 212, something along those lines, Fahrenheit, and it's dropped significantly already, especially in the steel ones and also in the ceramic. The heat from the glass, or pardon me, from the water has just gone right into the material. And so that's, in some ways, that's good. It preloads the glass with some heat. But what I'm going to do now is cover one of each of the glasses to see how much of a difference covering makes compared to the material and the construction itself. Also, going to get ambient temperature. It's about 66 degrees Fahrenheit in my house right now. It's really cold this winter in the Atlantic, mid-Atlantic. So 15 minutes have passed, and now I'm just going to go and do another round of testing. You can see that covering the glasses makes a really significant difference in how much heat was lost. So the Bodum glass compared to the Yeti, both uncovered, not a whole lot of difference in the temperature, just a few degrees. However, when you do cover it, you can see there's actually a significantly higher difference there between the Yeti and the Bodum. But uncovered, it doesn't seem to matter what the cup is made of. With that huge opening in the top, the material and construction doesn't have the opportunity to save any heat or insulate you. And these plain ceramic cups are just lousy if you like your coffee warm. Another 15 minutes have passed. We're sitting at just a little bit over 33 minutes, and it's time to do another set of measures. You can see that at this point it's about 40 degrees ahead by covering the Yeti. Not a whole lot of difference between the Yeti and the Bodum uncovered, but you can start to see the Yeti pulling ahead when both are covered. And that's actually at this point colder than body temperature. Like if you were drinking coffee, you would consider it cold, certainly at this point. The covered isn't a whole lot better. And now the final set of measurements, sitting at about 50 minutes. The uncovered Yeti is still barely warm, slightly above body temperature. You would definitely not enjoy drinking that. However, the covered Yeti is still nice and toasty. I mean, that's definitely a nice warm cup of coffee. Not scalding hot, not as hot as it would be fresh, but still quite drinkable. The Bodum has, they've both reached equilibrium at around 98, 99 degrees, uncovered. Covered Bodum, 120, definitely a lukewarm cup of coffee. And these guys remain rubbish. So, in conclusion, I'm quite pleased by my purchase of the Yeti. I only got them last night, and I've been using them all day today, having my coffee in the morning, switching to some tea in the afternoon, and then finally, as I record this voiceover, having some tea in order for you all to enjoy my dulcet tones. I'm probably going to get more of these. I have two of them right now, probably go for the full set of four, and make sure that I always have one on hand for whatever beverage needs might arise. Thanks for watching, guys.